Ortur is a brand that has rapidly gained a reputation in the laser engraving and cutting industry for its commitment to innovation and quality. Their product range includes various models of laser engravers that are known for their powerful capabilities, ease of use, and robust safety features. However, their new model hopes to take that to a whole other level. This is the Ortur H20. The H20 is touted as the world's most powerful compact laser engraver, boasting a jaw-dropping 20 watts of power out of the box. This means you can cut through a wide range of materials, from wood and acrylic to metal, with ease and precision. But it's not just about power, it's also about convenience. The H20 comes pretty much pre-assembled with little to do really, so you can get started on your projects in no time. Just set it up and let your creativity flow. What really makes the Ortur H20 special is its smart features. You can control it via a dedicated app which simplifies the entire engraving process, which I can't deny is perfect for first-time users. Whether you're personalizing gifts, creating signage, or experimenting with art, the H20 is set to be a great one-stop shop. Or is it? So the burning question is this product truly worth the asking price? Well, let's first start by unboxing it. Unboxing the H20 engraving machine is an exhilarating experience that showcases the brand's commitment to quality and user-friendliness. The unit arrives in 3 neatly organized boxes. The main box houses the H20 engraver itself, while the second box contains the sturdy base stand. The third box is filled with essential accessories, including a power cable, a USB cable for easy connection to your computer, an air hose to keep the engraving area clear, and a user manual that guides you through setup and operation. With everything ready to go, there will be a slight setup process though. Now, I'm not going to go into too much detail about this as there will be a setup video in the description, but the process is actually relatively easy. All we need to do is add the laser to the unit's main arm. There are different laser modules you can get for this unit, and with that you will need to configure the limit plates and screws based on the power spec. This is just a simple screw clearly labelled on each side. Now, there is a base that needs to be placed on the bottom, and we can fix the engraving platform to that base using the M3 screws provided. This module design is rather easy to work with. Now, you have the option to connect the air hose using a retaining clasp and a right angle quick coupling, allowing for improved airflow. So this is an option. Now we can install the final enclosed top piece, which is designed to fit seamlessly onto the main assembly. Simply position it on top, align it with the existing structure, and secure it firmly in place using a few screws. This whole setup process is rather straightforward, and everything seems to attach together quite well. Alright then, let's dive into using this unit and check out some of the cool things it can do. It's super user-friendly, so getting the hang of it is a breeze. This machine comes loaded with handy features to make everything safer and easier to use. For starters, it has built-in lighting so you can clearly see what you're working on, even in dim spaces. There's also an emergency stop button right at your fingertips, giving you quick control if you ever need to pause things immediately. One of the coolest parts by far has to be the built-in electric lifting platform, which you can adjust up or down to fit different sized items perfectly. It's fully adjustable, so you can raise or lower it to get the perfect height for whatever you're working on, whether it's a small delicate item or a larger piece that requires more space. With just the press of a button, you can smoothly adjust the platform's height to ensure the laser or engraving tool is precisely aligned with your material. I have to admit, it does help to improve accuracy and detail in your projects. Plus, you don't have to manually wrestle with positioning. It's all automated, making the setup faster and hassle-free. Another standout feature of the H20 is its support for advanced visual algorithms that make a huge difference in both efficiency and precision. It includes camera visual positioning, which uses an integrated camera to help align your designs perfectly with the material, reducing setup time and minimizing errors. Additionally, the H20 is equipped with edge detection algorithms that automatically identify the boundaries of your material. This means the machine can adjust its operation to fit within those edges, reducing the chances of overshooting and ensuring your engravings are consistently clean and contained. The H20's ability to work with both blue light and infrared laser modules makes it super versatile. With the blue light module, you can get super detailed and high contrast engravings on things like wood, leather, and acrylic. Then, when it's time to tackle tougher materials like metal and glass, you can switch to the infrared module, which is designed to handle those harder surfaces that typical lasers struggle with. Another smashing feature of this unit is the built-in air pump. It really helps improve safety and cleanliness by keeping your workspace free of smoke and dust. The air pump constantly circulates air, so when you hook up the hose, it not only makes the environment healthier, but it also gives you cleaner results on your materials without all that extra gunk getting in the way. Now, when it comes to sending projects over to the H20, the easiest and most straightforward way to do it is through the app. This app is designed to make everything even more convenient for users. You can easily control your H20 directly from your phone, and it also lets you connect with a community to share your projects and get inspiration from others. It's a pretty smooth experience all around. It makes uploading designs a total breeze, just add them from your phone's storage. You can also monitor everything in real time, so you know exactly what's going on while you're working. Plus, making precise adjustments is a total breeze, so you get full control over every aspect of your project. It really helps you stay organized and focused on being creative without getting bogged down by all the little details. Honestly, this is probably going to be the go-to option for a lot of people because while software like Lightburn gives you more complex adjustments, this app is just way simpler to use and a lot more fun. You get all the power you need, but without the hassle. Now, as mentioned, the Ortur H20 is suitable for pretty much all types of materials, enabling users to effectively engrave and cut through wood, metal, leather, glass, acrylic, and more. This broad compatibility ensures that users can tackle a wide range of projects, making the H20 an ideal choice for both creative and professional applications. Normally, figuring out the right parameters and settings for either engraving or cutting can be a real headache, but luckily, Ortur has made things a lot easier with this unit. If you're making manual adjustments in your software, they've provided a bunch of helpful info to guide you through the process. What I'll do is place some of the laser module settings right on the screen so you don't have to go searching around. I'm really impressed by the cutting performance. Cutting wood is a breeze, and when it comes to bulk cutting for business projects, it's even easier. The results are consistently clean and precise, and you can really see how impressive the cuts are. It's definitely a game changer for efficiency and quality. The engraving quality is just as impressive. When it comes to intricate designs like portraits or even more detailed subjects, this machine really delivers. Take a look at the engraving of this simple photo of my pets. It turned out amazing. Even the smallest details are crisp and clear, and the overall quality is fantastic. I'm really impressed with how well it captures fine details. Now, overall, in my opinion, the H20 really covers all the bases, whether you're working on personal DIY projects, doing precise engraving for product labels or custom gifts, or even handling larger scale engraving for a business. This machine meets all kinds of needs. Plus, the quick assembly design makes setting it up a breeze, and the built-in air pump takes care of all the smoke and dust, so you don't need any extra equipment. It really helps keep your workspace clean and easy to work in. Plus, the app is a game changer. It makes usability a breeze, especially for first-time users. It's super intuitive, so even if you're new to this kind of tech, you'll have no problem getting the hang of it quickly. If you're in the market for one, I can't deny that the H20 is a true all-in-one unit. It really does it all and is definitely worth at least considering. And with that all said, be sure to check this product out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.